We're good? We're on? Alright. Can you see me now? Yeah. This is a first start of a 1981 Honda CM400T. This bike hasn't ran in at least 18, probably closer to 19 years. Let's see what happens. Been a lot of stuff done to this over the last 6 months or so. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know where the idle's set. I have no idea just yet. So I'm going to key on, crank it over, give it some choke. And it's in neutral. It says it's in neutral. It's all strapped down. There are some things against it, but anyway, yeah, let's turn it over. That's a bike that just needs to be ridden a few times. Yeah. A little bit of fine tuning, a little tweaking. Carburetors they don't sound quite like they're synchronized exactly, but it's impossible to tell until we get, probably get a week of riding in, right? Shake it right down. And then once it's gone through all its heat cycles and whatnot, then we'll do some synchronizations. Yeah, I'm happy. You happy?